Sustainability, saving money, and eating healthy are all very important to me while traveling. As long as you have a coffee machine, a refrigerator, a microwave, there's a lot you can do while in the hotel room. Of course, when you're traveling, you do eat out, but eating out on the daily can be very expensive. So I grabbed a bag of fresh spinach from Whole Foods Market. I made a vegan broth, threw in some cloves of garlic, and mixed it all together. Now I am using the container from the Whole Foods Market hot food section, which is waxed on the inside. You can clean those out and reuse them again. It was the perfect container, which was not plastic, that I could use to steam my spinach down. I mixed everything together. Then I added some basil. The coffee cups with the lids are very good containers to store your food in. Place it in the refrigerator until you're ready to have your meal later. Then what I did was I mixed the spinach in with leftover Indian rice and Kalamata olives that I got the night before from Whole Foods. It was delish.